All right, there's Courthouse Rock up behind me, and the stairs are up this way. So right when you come down the stairs, the trail kind of makes a U-turn, comes back down this way from like right up here, and up at the top around the rock, there's some kind of beat down paths and things where you could walk around and explore a little bit. There was quite a few people down there, or up there, so I didn't film too much, just took a couple pictures and moved on. There was even somebody there with a toothbrush, looked like he was cleaning out little climbing handholds, so pretty serious stuff, so that's cool. And so now we're on trail 202, which is going to bring us down to that I forget what they call it, but it's like an optional trail that goes off of 202 and goes down, I think it's number 203, goes down to Double Arch. So that's pretty cool. Haven't really paid too much attention to the time, so I'm gonna have to check that at some point and make sure I give myself ample time to find a campsite. One thing that's totally missing up here is water, so probably be good if I found somewhere to get some water at some point, because I think I only have like a half a liter or something like that. So yeah, it's still doing well on this trail. Yeah, it's beautiful. All right, enough of me. All right, so still kind of cruising down here. Right up there in the center of the screen, you can see Double Arch. So we have a little bit of elevation to gain on the way up to that, which is cool. Hopefully we're going to go down into this kind of valley here and find some water, because I definitely need to do that before camp. So just cruising right along. Well, hopefully this is a sign of things to come here. There's a little trickling stream. Not really. Yeah, hopefully we're headed down that way. I'm not gonna stop here. There's still some in the bottle, so I think I'll be all right. All right, coming up on a junction here, and so 202 goes up that way, and then this is Auxier Branch Trail. That's what I was trying to remember. So very cool. Guess that's our direction. Yeah, so a couple minutes ago I was thinking like, oh, I should have checked for where there was going to be water, so I could kind of figure out like where I wanted to camp. And yeah, there is a nice little stream and the trail crosses it. So yeah, actually like an awesome total mud section to get across. Oh, look, there's a spot where it looks like everybody crosses. So let me get across this and we'll keep on moving. Looks like trail goes up that way, but yeah, happy I found water. Crystal clear. Trail to Double Arch on Auxier Branch 203. Maybe a little breezy, sorry about that. But it just kind of cruises down this little creek. It's very serene. And yeah, I may I may end up trying to find a camp spot not too far from here. Maybe go up on the top of this ridge or something like that. I don't know. I'll keep my eye out for any little side trails that look like camp spots for on the way back. But yeah, so it seems like if you kind of make the full loop that I talked about in the car, it really kind of just puts you on like this gravel footpath or like road or whatever. I guess it's not open to normal traffic, but it's an actual road that Forest Service vehicles use to get back here. So I don't know. I don't know if I want to hit that road or just kind of backtrack. So yeah, it's definitely beautiful back here. All right, so headed up out of that little area where the stream was. It's pretty nice. Followed that for a little while, and the whole time I was thinking like, oh, this would be a great place to find a camp spot and stay real close around here. It'll leave me just you know, a couple miles out to the truck in the morning, and right at the end of that area before it goes kind of just like straight up the hill here, there's a big yellow sign that says no camping here. So guess I'll just be getting water from there and then finding somewhere else to sleep. So that's all right. Still have a little ways to go today. It's like 3 o'clock, so I think we're good on time at least. So all right, up and out of the valley. I was just thinking here, so I don't know. If you don't like rambling, then just probably fast forward, because this part's gonna be tough for you. So when we started this whole like joint channel venture, me and Rev, we just kind of like jumped in, started you know, looking at gear and stuff like that, and I don't know, we really didn't take any time to like get to know us, I guess. I don't know. But we started in December, so it was very cold. Not many trips happening. We do live in the Midwest, so we were kind of just through the like actual winter part of winter at that point. So yeah, we only did like 2 trips this year so far. So, but it's only March, so we have plenty of time. So definitely want to do maybe like a Q&A or something like that, or like a get to know us type thing, because yeah, we kind of have a pretty big, between the two of us, gear collection, but you know, we're just hikers, and we just so happen to like trying new things and testing out gear. And I mean, yeah, we bought everything we have, so it's not like anybody's giving us stuff to review or anything like that. But yeah, it's just all stuff that we picked up and tested and kind of played with. So man, it's not very steep, but it just it's a long section of up, so that's cool. But anyways, yeah, so we'll have to do something like that. When I moved to the Midwest, I was really surprised that there was such a big YouTube community. So that was pretty surprising, but there's a lot of really nice places to hike around. You know, Ohio, Kentucky, Pennsylvania, West Virginia. Dolly Sides is awesome. I did that last year. That was a really nice trip. But Anyway, yeah, I mean, this is, I believe right now, Tim Watson's out here somewhere, and whoever does the Outland channel, he's out here right now. So there's some Ohio guys out, and some Midwest guys. So I've definitely been keeping up with like Frozen. He's on the AT last year. Gary did the AT. Those guys are both from, you know, not right around the corner, but the Midwest. And then Shill Brothers. So there's quite a few. Anyway, that's my rant. To pass the time to get up to the top of the hill. So, all right, here we are at the next junction. So, looks like we head up this way. Just gonna walk along this massive rock face. So, yeah, beautiful. All right, so when you're coming into Double Arch, you actually go around it and then come up from, well, earlier on the trail, what would be from where we could see it across the valley or the gorge. It would be from the backside, and then looks like there's some more stairs leading up to it. So be up at the top here in just a minute. This is the view from on top of Double Arch. Actually, I can go up, it looks like a little bit more. So I'm gonna cruise up there real quick and check it out, see if there's a even better view. Holy smokes, this is crazy. It's awesome. So, there's the stairs. My pack's sitting on the ground right there. And there's like some little steps that go up the side of the rock. This is beautiful. Wow. All right, so made it into camp here, and I found this great spot kind of on a ridge, and I've got cliff walls all around me, and so it should be very, very beautiful. Sunrise should be right over this ridge right here, and then sunset should be right over here, so should get a good view of both of them. I've got the tarp pitched up already. All right, back on trail early. It's a little after 7. Right up here behind me on the top of that hill, that was where my campsite was, and sun's just coming up. It's gonna be a beautiful day. So, pretty awesome. All right, I think this is where I'm gonna end it. Come up over the ridge and back to the trail intersection with 204. So only about a mile from the truck. The climb up out of camp this morning was refreshing. Woke me up quick. So it is an absolutely beautiful morning. Wow. All right. Well, thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.